Russia, a country spanning 11 time zones, is a land of vast and breathtaking landscapes. From snow-capped mountains to shimmering lakes, Russia's scenery captivates the soul. Join us as we journey through some of Russia's most stunning natural wonders. Prepare to be amazed by the raw beauty and diversity of this extraordinary country. Russia offers something for every traveler. Whether you seek adventure or tranquility, Russia's landscapes will leave a lasting impression. Let's begin our exploration. Nestled in the heart of Siberia, Lake Baikal is a sight to behold. This ancient lake is the oldest and deepest in the world. Its crystal-clear waters hold 1/5 of the planet's freshwater. Lake Baikal is home to a unique ecosystem with over 1,700 species of plants and animals. Many of these species are found nowhere else on Earth. The lake freezes over in winter, creating a surreal landscape of ice and snow. Visitors can enjoy hiking, kayaking, and exploring the surrounding taiga forests. In winter, dog sledding and ice fishing are popular activities. The Kamchatka Peninsula, located in Russia's Far East, is a land of fire and ice. Active volcanoes tower over glaciers, creating a dramatic and otherworldly landscape. The Valley of Geysers, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a must-see. Here, geysers erupt with scalding water and steam, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Kamchatka is also home to brown bears, Stella's sea eagles, and a variety of other wildlife. Hiking, skiing, and bear watching are popular activities in this remote and beautiful region. The peninsula is a paradise for adventure seekers and nature enthusiasts alike. Mount Elbrus, located in the Caucasus Mountains, is Europe's highest peak. Standing at an impressive 5,642 meters, it towers above the surrounding landscape, a beacon for adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike. Its twin summits, both dormant volcanic domes, are often shrouded in a blanket of snow, adding to its majestic allure. This dormant volcano stands as a majestic symbol of challenge and adventure. Its slopes, covered in glaciers and snowfields, present a formidable challenge to even the most experienced climbers. The mountain's rugged terrain and unpredictable weather conditions make every ascent a true test of endurance and skill. Climbers from around the world come to test their skills against its slopes. Each year, thousands of adventurers embark on the journey to its summit, driven by the desire to conquer one of the 7 summits. The climb is not just a physical challenge, but a mental one as well, requiring determination, resilience, and a deep respect for the mountain. The views from the summit are simply breathtaking, offering panoramic vistas of the surrounding mountains and valleys. On a clear day, the horizon seems to stretch endlessly, with the peaks of the Caucasus Mountains forming a stunning backdrop. The sense of accomplishment and awe that climbers feel upon reaching the top is indescribable. Even if you're not a climber, you can enjoy the beauty of Elbrus by taking a cable car ride up its slopes. The cable car offers a unique perspective of the mountain, allowing visitors to experience its grandeur without the physical exertion of a climb. As you ascend, the landscape unfolds beneath you, revealing the intricate patterns of glaciers and the vast expanse of the mountain. The region also offers opportunities for hiking, skiing, and exploring the picturesque villages in the foothills. The trails around Mount Elbrus provide a chance to immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the area, with paths that wind through lush meadows and dense forests. In winter, the slopes transform into a haven for skiers, with pristine snow and well-maintained runs. Mount Elbrus is a testament to the power and beauty of nature, attracting adventurers and nature lovers alike. Its towering presence and the diverse activities it offers make it a destination that captivates the imagination and inspires a sense of wonder. Whether you're scaling its heights or simply admiring it from afar, Mount Elbrus leaves an indelible mark on all who encounter it. Section 5. The Golden Ring, a journey through history. The Golden Ring is a treasure trove of Russian history and culture, a collection of ancient towns and cities that have stood the test of time. Located northeast of Moscow, these towns are a living museum of Russia's past. The Golden Ring is a collection of ancient towns and cities located northeast of Moscow. Each town in the Golden Ring has its own unique story to tell, with roots that stretch back to the early days of Russian civilization. These towns were once significant political, cultural, and religious centers, and they continue to hold a special place in the hearts of Russians today. These historic settlements offer a glimpse into Russia's rich cultural heritage. Walking through the cobblestone streets, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, from the bustling markets to the solemn prayers in the churches and monasteries. The architecture is a testament to the skill and artistry of Russian craftsmen, with each building telling a story of its own. Each town boasts unique architecture, monasteries, and museums. The monasteries in particular are a highlight, with their golden domes and intricate frescoes. The museums house a wealth of artifacts, from ancient icons to traditional clothing, offering a deeper understanding of Russian culture and history. Visitors can explore ancient Kremlins, marvel at ornate churches, and immerse themselves in Russian history and art. The Kremlins, or fortresses, are some of the most impressive structures in the Golden Ring, with their towering walls and majestic towers. The churches, with their onion domes and colorful frescoes, are a feast for the eyes and a testament to the deep spirituality of the Russian people. Some highlights of the Golden Ring include Sergiev Posad, home to the Trinity Lavra of St. Sergius, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This monastery is one of the most important in Russia, and it has been a center of pilgrimage for centuries. The complex is a stunning example of Russian religious architecture, with its golden domes and beautiful frescoes. Rostov-Veliki, known for its stunning Kremlin and its location on the shores of Lake Nero. The Kremlin in Rostov-Veliki is one of the oldest in Russia, and it offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The town itself is a charming place, with its wooden houses and peaceful atmosphere. Yaroslavl, a vibrant city with a well-preserved historical center, also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Yaroslavl is one of the oldest cities in Russia, and its historical center is a treasure trove of architectural gems. The city is also known for its lively cultural scene, with numerous theaters, museums, and festivals. Traveling the Golden Ring is like stepping back in time, offering a fascinating journey through Russia's past. Each town is a window into a different era of Russian history, from the medieval period to the present day. The journey is not just about seeing the sights, but also about experiencing the culture and traditions of Russia. Whether you're exploring the ancient Kremlins, admiring the beautiful churches, or simply enjoying the peaceful atmosphere of the towns, the Golden Ring is a journey that will stay with you long after you've returned home. Section 6. Red Square, Moscow's beating heart. No trip to Russia is complete without a visit to Red Square in Moscow. This historic square has been the epicenter of Russian life for centuries, serving as a witness to the country's most pivotal moments. From grand celebrations to solemn ceremonies, Red Square has seen it all. This iconic square is home to some of Russia's most famous landmarks. As you walk through the square, you are surrounded by history and grandeur. The cobblestones beneath your feet have been trodden by czars, revolutionaries, and everyday citizens alike. St. Basil's Cathedral, with its colorful onion domes, is a sight to behold. Built in the 16th century by Ivan the Terrible, this architectural masterpiece is a symbol of Russia's rich cultural heritage. Each dome is uniquely designed, representing the diversity and creativity of Russian art. The Kremlin, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, houses the Russian government and is a symbol of Russian power. Its imposing walls and towers have stood the test of time, protecting the heart of the nation. Inside, you'll find a treasure trove of Russian history, from ancient artifacts to modern political offices. Lenin's mausoleum, a somber granite structure, is another prominent feature of Red Square. This mausoleum is the final resting place of Vladimir Lenin, the leader of the Bolshevik Revolution. Visitors from around the world come to pay their respects and reflect on the impact of Lenin's legacy. The square is often bustling with activity, from military parades to cultural events. On any given day, you might witness a grand display of military might or a vibrant cultural festival celebrating Russian traditions. Red Square is a place where history and modernity coexist, creating a dynamic and ever-changing atmosphere. Red Square is not just a historical site, it's a living, breathing symbol of Russia's past, present and future. Whether bathed in the golden light of dawn or illuminated by the soft glow of evening lights, the square exudes a timeless beauty. Throughout the seasons, it transforms, offering a unique experience with each visit. In winter, the square is adorned with festive decorations and a bustling ice rink, while in summer, it becomes a vibrant hub of activity with open-air concerts and markets. Red Square truly is the beating heart of Moscow, a place where the spirit of Russia is palpable in every corner. Section 7. Exploring beyond vastness and variety. From the soaring peaks of the Caucasus Mountains to the serene shores of Lake Baikal, Russia's scenic landscapes offer something for everyone. Whether you're drawn to the adventure of climbing a volcano or the tranquility of exploring ancient monasteries, Russia's natural beauty will captivate your imagination. But this is just a glimpse of what Russia has to offer. This vast country is home to countless other breathtaking destinations, each with its own unique charm. There's always something new to discover in Russia. Section 8. What's next on your travel list? We've only scratched the surface of the world's many wonders. Now, we want to hear from you. Which part of the world should we explore next? Tell us in the comments below what destinations spark your curiosity. Your suggestions will help shape our future adventures. Section 9. Join the adventure. If you enjoyed this journey through Russia's breathtaking scenery, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration from around the globe. Until next time, happy travels.